Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our Unit 4, that is Chapter 10, the Government Budget and the Economy. In this chapter or unit, we are going to know about the concept of government budget, the objectives of the government budget, that why government prepares budget, structure and components of the budget, which includes the budget receipts, and that can be classified as revenue and capital receipts, as well as budget expenditure, which are also classified as revenue and capital expenditure. Then we will come to know about the budget deficit, its types like revenue, fiscal and primary deficits, and how these are measured. And lastly, we will come to know the meaning of balanced and unbalanced budget. So let's start with the very first topic, the meaning or the concept of government budget. The government budget is a statement of expected receipts and expected expenditure of the government. So, what is a government budget? First of all, it is a statement which shows the expected receipts, means whatever the receipts are being going to incurred or earned by the government, and the expected expenditure means what the expenditure the government is expected to done for the financial year to come, means for the future financial year, what the expected receipts and expenditures the government is expecting. A statement of that particular accepted receipt and expenditure is known as government budget. And this budget reveals the budgetary policy of the government to achieve the twin objectives of growth and stability. With these expected receipts and expenditure, the government reveals or indicates its policies. Policies means the programs which the government will make, that how much we will spend on a particular activity and how much we will gonna earn from a particular activity. Those plans or policies are known as budgetary policy, and that is made in order to achieve the objective of growth in the economy with stability in the economy. Clear? So basically the main important points that you need to consider about government budget is, first of all, it is a statement. Secondly, it shows expected receipts and expenditure of the government. Third, it is made for the financial year to come. Fourth, it reveals the budgetary policy of the government. And fifth, it achieves the objective of growth and stability. With this, we must know that in India, February 1 is the date when the finance minister presents annual budget of the government for its approval by the parliament. It is generally on the 1st Feb of each year when the annual budget for that current year particular is presented into the parliament by the finance minister. And this budget which is being presented in the parliament contains the programs and policies regarding its receipt and expenditure, which is known as budgetary policy or fiscal policy. So apparently we can see here, budgetary policy or fiscal policy is the policy of the government which is related with the government receipts and expenditure.